From the AHVMA in Orlando, Florida, and I'm talking today with Dr. Tejinder Sodhi about Ayurvedic medicine. He is the creator of this Ayurvedic pet supplement company called Ayush Herbals, and he's located out of Seattle?
Redmond, Washington.
Washington, okay.
Seattle neighborhood.
I got it all wrong.
Okay.
Anyway, we wanted to talk a little bit and tell viewers a little bit about Ayurvedic medicine. It is a modality that has been somewhat overlooked in veterinary medicine, and we wanted to introduce that today to our viewers. So tell us a little bit about what you do and a little bit about Ayurvedic medicine.
So I'm a licensed veterinarian in the state of Washington. I practice holistic and traditional medicine, both. I practice a lot of Ayurveda. I still do acupuncture, physical therapy, and rehab. My clinic is called Animal Wellness and Rehab Center. Ayurveda is the oldest system of medicine, and it is estimated that it is about 6,000 BC years old, which could be about 8,000 plus years. My feeling is even older than that. It is very well practiced in India, and it's taught in Indian schools. You need to be at least pre-med and 6 years in the human schools to learn in Ayurvedic medicine.
Lots of studying.
A lot of studying is equivalent to an NEMD program we see here. Ayurveda talks about laws of nature, the power of herbs according to the laws of nature, and Ayurveda wants people to realize that each individual is a small universe within the bigger universe, and it believes in a balance with the mother nature so you can stay harmonious and create a balance and stay healthy. We define body based on 5 different elements into 3 different types, or called doshas, or body types, vata, pitta, and kapha, and the combination of. And when you are out of rhythm or sync in those 2 different doshas, disease happens. And that's very important to keep body balanced or keep the doshas balanced so you can stay healthy. Herbs are used, diet is used, lifestyle is used to balance your life and create harmonious harmony with the mother nature so you can stay healthy.
Terrific. And you've developed some products to help our pets.
The Ayush product line is an Ayurvedic product line based on all Ayurvedic herbs which we grow and practice and bring it over to the United States. Mainly evolved as a human product line. I've been using them, and then ultimately we have labeled them for animals based on my clinical experience.
Your brothers are doctors?
It's a family business. We have 2 brothers who are naturopathic physicians, as well as Ayurvedic physicians from India, and a sister-in-law who is part of also the thing here. I'm the veterinarian, but we have Ayush India, where we produce, grow, harvest, cultivate, process, and bring it over here. Before we bring it over here, we test for any heavy metals, pesticides, insecticides, fungicides, and it's done through third party in India, third party here to match the results, and then we bring it over here, and they're packed in FDA approved facilities following the GMP, which is good manufacturing practices. We are USA certified organic, kosher certified, and we have many awards for our company. In fact, we had a Best Year University giving us the award last year for this.
Nice. Tell us, I wanted to touch on some of your products that are very important. All of them are important.
Definitely.
But I get a lot of, there's a lot of buzz going around about some of these herbs. And so I want to make sure people understand. Let's talk a little bit about the curcumin. That's always my favorite because that's a huge buzzword in veterinary medicine now.
Actually, curcumin is not only human or everything, it's everything.
Yes.
It's not holistic veterinary, it's not holistic remedies. Every doctor, every health professional is talking about curcumin. Curcumin is an active ingredient or alkaloid out of turmeric, yellow Indian curry powder. It's the most powerful anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer. It's a good liver protective. It protects the nerves. And the caveat on it is the curcumin does not get absorbed or is not bioavailable without some sources of fat. In Ayurveda, you will use ghee or certain oils. You will use the piperine, which is the long pepper or piper longum. Whole curcumin product we have has all that thing along with some CoQ10 and coconut in it to make it very palatable and bioavailable. So from human side, I stole it and I've been using it in animals, and it's been going good with the taste and everything else.
Excellent. Yeah, it's so beautiful, this color. You see it in the store and it's kind of pale.
We are very particular about, it's all about the pigment, where we procure our things. So it's either South India or Sri Lankan type of things where we get it. And we test to make sure they are 97% curcuminized. So the curcuminide or curcumin has to be about 97% or higher to become our product.
Excellent. Yeah, you can tell the color of that. It's really nice. Let's talk a little bit about ashwagandha. Heard some buzz about that, and we obviously have a product here, and I want viewers to know a little bit about it. The whole idea is for viewers to understand that there are other modalities out there. Ayurvedic medicine is another resource, and I don't think viewers really know about it for animals. We use it in humans, and people seem to know about it, but it's crossing over into the animal world as well. And some of the herbs also cross over.
What I realized that what we have in human medicine over a period of time with my clinical experience, that we can very safely use all Ayurvedic product. In fact, Ayurveda talks about animals and animal science a lot. So there's a whole subsections of it. So it's not that Ayurveda only talks about humans. The only thing is because it has taken off in human field doesn't mean the products for Ayurvedic medicines are not used for animals. It's huge. Ashwagandha is a good adaptogen. It's labeled as Rasayana in Ayurvedic medicine. It means you can be given it in any stage of life, any disease, any time, without any side effects, with any doses. It's used for stress reduction. It's used for cognitive dysfunctions. It's used for pain and aches. It's used for anemia. I use for epilepsies and seizures. I use in osteoarthritic dogs who can't settle down because the body aches and pains. I also use for my travel. It really helps me just put to sleep and calm me down when I'm in a travel zone. Or you have a stressful day without having any side effect or hangover from it.
Yeah, I've actually used that to sleep a little bit better. It works really nicely.
And I'm regretting not taking it last night.
And the other thing, you touched on seizures. I have a lot of clients that ask about seizure medication. A lot of the Western doctors have put their pets on phenobarbital or potassium bromide or some of the other
or newer product like Capra and others. Yeah.
And a lot of the really toxic to the liver. So tell us a little bit about this product, what it can do to help the seizure patient maybe come off of those products potentially, or have them reduced.
In my practice, I will start them on ashwagandha and liver support, and I would like one client to see the sign of a little bit more sleepy dog or sedate dog. That means it's working, but you need to start come off the phenobarb slowly, trying to wean him off until we can get off, or at least reduce the doses. And it would be highly recommended that they periodically do the phenobarb levels to make sure the therapeutic level has come down and the dog is maintaining the seizure-free status.
Excellent. Boy, that's sure a nice option for all those loaded seizure patients that we see that can't walk because they have so many barbiturates in them. So let's see. I wanted to touch on and just kind of pan around and show the audience that you do have another.
We have a whole side of product lines. You talk about we have a cardiovascular support, we have liver support, we have GI support, we have anti-parasitic support, skin, adrenal support, male health, female health, probiotic, digestive enzymes, all of them.
Excellent. And if somebody wants to find out more about Ayurvedic medicine or your products, what is the website that they would go to?
It will be www.ayush.com.
Okay. And these are your veterinarian, I'm assuming, is prescribing these, or can people get them online? How
Primarily, Ayush line is MD, ND, veterinary line only. Okay, so because we pride in our quality products and we want to make sure that it is through the right hands. Our sister concern, which is a part of Ayush, is Ayurveda. We'll sell it through the super supplement, vitamin market, and you can probably find them online too.
Perfect. Okay, well, I can't thank you enough for enlightening us a little bit about Ayurvedic medicine, and I urge the client to go and talk to their veterinarians about it. If your veterinarian doesn't know anything about it,
ask about it.
Ask about it. That's the way things get out there. and I think it holds them accountable. And so again, this is something that we have never touched on before. So
thank you, Jyl, for bringing
so
Ayurveda to the limelight and letting people know what Ayurvedic medicine is.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Many more talks. Thank you. Good night.